There's a lot of people who really want to get into this business of buying and flipping stock in bulk, making money out of it. But what I see is a lot of people are very fearful. And I'm going to tell you about the number one fear that people have. The number one thing that people are scared about getting involved in the surplus stock business or surplus inventory business. I want to just eliminate this fear, and I'm going to explain exactly why this fear is purely a limiting belief. From what I can see and from what I've seen over the last few years, it is the number one fear that people have. People do want to get in this business. They love the buzz of wanting to buy and sell. But they're scared of this number one thing. First one is people are fearful of getting into this business, the surplus stock business, because they are scared of holding on to stock that no one wants, okay? They're frightened of holding stock that no one wants. Scared of buying stock that you can't actually get rid of. People are scared of buying stock of a product that they can't get rid of. That's another fear that people have got. And here's another one. Scared of losing money buying stock that doesn't sell. So, people are scared that they're going to lose money on stock because they can't sell it. And finally, getting stuck with stock. Okay, so all these four are all related to each other, all pretty much mean the same thing. So I'm going to talk through each one, and I'm going to eliminate these fears immediately, guys, because these are limiting beliefs. These are things that are just not even part of this business, okay? And I'm going to explain exactly why, okay? So let's look at the first one. People are scared of holding on to stock that no one wants. So let's talk about that one. First of all, you never hold on to any stock. There's no need to be frightened that you're going to be holding on to stock that no one wants, because you never hold any stock in your business, in your surplus stock business. I don't ever hold any stock in my business, and I'm making thousands every month. I do it all without ever holding any stock. So I'm never in a position where someone doesn't want any of my stock, because I'm not holding any stock. So I don't need to worry about someone not wanting stock that I'm holding, because I'm not holding any stock. Number two, scared of buying stock that you can't get rid of. If you are buying stock that you can't get rid of, then that is a limiting belief, because you are not buying any stock that you can't get rid of. Okay? You are only buying stock that you can get rid of. Okay? The only stock that you are actually getting rid of is the stock that you are buying. So everything that you buy, 100% guaranteed, always get rid of. Okay? Always get rid of. The methods that I teach, you only ever buy stock that you can get rid of. 100%. And number three, you're scared of losing money buying stock that doesn't sell. You don't ever lose money on stock because you are never holding stock. Okay, so how are you going to lose money on stock if you are never actually holding any stock? So it's another limiting belief that people think that they're going to get stuck with some stock that they buy. Guys, you will never, ever, 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 1,000,000% guaranteed ever get stuck with any stock. And if you look at how I operate as well, I never ever get stuck with any stock, because I'm flipping stock straight on to buyers. I'm not ever getting stuck with any stock. I'm moving deals onto buyers that I know I can sell. I'm not getting involved with stock that I can't sell. You don't need to come into this business and think, right, I'm going to be holding on to stock, and I'm worried that the stock that I'm holding on to, no one will want. No one will want to buy it. You're only getting involved in deals that you know you've got a buyer for, okay? You're not getting involved in stock that you haven't got a buyer for, ever. If you're thinking of buying stock and you haven't got a buyer, you're not getting involved in that stock, okay? And I teach how to find a buyer by using a validation method. It's a validation strategy. The way we do these deals is you're not getting stuck with stock because you are buying and selling that stock without ever touching it or seeing it. You're never seeing that stock. You're never touching that stock. You're just doing a deal on that stock and flipping it straight to your buyer without seeing it, without touching it, okay? So you are never going to be holding that stock. You're never going to be buying that stock and getting stuck with that stock. So I just want to eliminate people's fears. You know, that is one of the biggest, and I get messages all the time. People, they want to get into this business, but they're scared. They're scared of holding on to stock that no one wants. They're scared of buying stock that they can't get rid of. They're scared of losing money buying stock that they can't sell. They're scared of being stuck with that stock. Guys, you only get involved with deals that you have got buyers for. So you're not touching any stock ever. And that is the way to flip deals. That is the modern way to flip deals. By flipping the stock directly from your source where you found the stock straight to your buyer. If you are trying to do a deal on some stock that you can't sell, you walk away. You are not going to be buying that stock. You'll never ever in a million years get stuck with any stock. All right, guys, so I will see you next time.